Hello, and welcome back to the channel for an exhilarating unboxing and review session featuring the Linkifun GT6 Android 12.0 Smart AI box. This impressive device is a wireless CarPlay / Android Auto adapter with HDMI functionality. Let's not waste any time and jump right into the action. Upon cracking open the package, the first thing that catches our eye is the quick start guide. Directly beneath the guide lies the sleek and compact Linkifun GT6 adapter, showcasing a stylish design and boasting a robust build. To add to the excitement, two USB cables for seamless connectivity are neatly tucked in. However, what sets it apart from the rest is the inclusion of a microphone and even an HDMI mini HDMI male to HDMI female converter adapter cable, allowing you to connect it to your TV for a broader multimedia experience. So, let us take a look at the key features and specifications. As I can see, the Linkifun GT6 runs on the Android 12.0 operating system and is powered by the Qualcomm QCM6125 processor, featuring a quad-core ARM Cortex-A73 at 2.0 GHz plus quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 at 1.8 GHz CPU. With 4GB LPDDR4 RAM and 64GB UFS ROM, this device delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness, efficiently handling demanding multimedia apps, complex graphics, and multitasking. Also, it supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, online video streaming, built-in GPS navigation, 4G connectivity, and more. And the HDMI port allows for multi-device use, extending its functionality beyond the car. Plus, it has a micro SD card slot, which we can use for offline playback, and another amazing fact is that you can insert a SIM card. Also, this direct access to the Google Play Store opens up endless possibilities for customization. Download apps, games, utilities, and more to tailor your GT6 experience. Pre-installed streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus offer on-the-go entertainment. However, we'll delve deeper into the apps and functionalities inside the car, exploring how each app enhances your driving experience. The initial step is to connect the device to your car's USB port. As I said, it's a plug-and-play device. Once inserted into the car's USB port, it swiftly connects and opens the device's home page. You also need to acknowledge and agree to the warning that appears at the start. Ultimately, gaining access to the system was a straightforward and quick process through the car's display. The first task on my list is to connect to the mobile phone via Android Auto. To do this, we only need to establish a Bluetooth connection between our smartphone and the device. Just pair your device with the Linkifun GT6 Smart AI adapter. As we can see, after connecting, Android Auto starts automatically, allowing us to utilize applications, navigation maps, and other features from our smartphone through Android Auto. But now, let's shift our focus back to the device and delve into a detailed explanation of its functionality and all the features available on the Linkifun GT6. As mentioned earlier, the Linkifun GT6 provides the option to insert a SIM card. However, for the moment, I'll be using it without SIM card. So, my first step is to connect it to a wireless network using the hotspot from my phone. After connecting to the internet, let's explore some of the pre-installed apps and features on the Linkifun GT6. One notable application is the Chrome search engine, allowing direct searches on the car's display. However, one of the most crucial and practical apps while driving is Google Maps. The great thing is that it can be used offline as well. Simply download the needed map in advance, enabling offline usage without connecting the phone to the internet. Alternatively, you can use it online. For that, you need to connect the device to Wi-Fi through your mobile hotspot or through Android Auto Connect, as well by inserting a SIM card into the device for internet access. Beyond Google Maps, there's the Play Store, where you can download and install various programs to enhance your driving experience. Keep in mind that you'll need to log into the Play Store with your Gmail account. And apart from them, there is also YouTube, where you can watch your favorite videos, songs, and even our tutorials. You will have them at your fingertips while you are in the car. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's a standout feature, the split screen. This allows you to use two applications simultaneously. For instance, you can have Google Maps on one half while playing your favorite songs from YouTube on the other half, all without turning off navigation while driving. In conclusion, the Linkifun GT6 Android 12.0 Smart AI box is a feature-rich multimedia adapter that seamlessly integrates with your car's dashboard. With its advanced features, high-speed performance, and straightforward installation, it's an excellent upgrade for your car's entertainment system. That wraps up today's unboxing and review of the Linkifun GT6 adapter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.